Right, folks, this time around, concluding with factorization. Um, I've got three problems that I want to address, and let's see how we find factors. We'll create a bit of space here for the solution. Right. We are given an expression, and this expression is actually x squared minus 9x plus 20. So our coefficient here is positive 1. It implies that we need two brackets for the factors where we have x and x. Positive going the reverse way, we are saying we should be coming from x times x first to get x squared. Then the next step is going to be, we are looking for factors of 20, such that when we add them, they give us negative 9. Because we have a negative in the middle part, it looks like these are going to be negative 5 and negative 4, because it can't be negative 10, negative 2, because that will be negative 12 when we sum them. So the only factors are the ones that I listed there. All right, let's try and check the next one. Maybe the simulation process might enlighten. Here we have a scenario where we are asked to factorize completely. So I have got an expression 3x squared minus 6x. So I have got 3, I have got 6. Also, let's look at the variable x is common there. So the highest common factor on those two terms is going to be 3x. Now when I divide the first term by 3x, it will give me x. Then there's a negative there. I divide a negative by positive, the result is negative. Then the last part will be 6x divided by 3x. That will give me a 2. I think that's it for that problem. Now we are on the last one, where we are interested in factorization again. So here they are saying, let's factorize this given expression, which is x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. First thing first, we can see that x is common throughout the three terms, so we can factor x first. Inside the brackets, we have x squared minus x, then minus 6. Now, similar to the first expressions that we were factoring, if I have x squared, it means I'm expecting to build up two brackets like this. Look at this coefficient is a 1. It implies that here I have x and there I have x. Then I'm thinking of two numbers. Their product is negative 6, but their sum is negative 1. So those numbers should be 2 and 3. But because the middle part is negative, then the bigger of those two should be negative, so that when we sum, we still remain with a negative value. I think basically that was it from expansion of three brackets, as well as factorization, which involves sometimes building up three brackets as well. Yeah, we'll find each other in the next series. Bye.